Yes. I think you are not here morning. Okay. How many? Five lobes. What is the name? Try. Frontal lobe, temporal lobe,
Occipital
parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and insula. Right?
and insula.
Insula. Insula is the hiding lobe. Okay. Now, what is the function of the frontal lobe? Motor function. Motor function. Right? Now, then, what is the function of the parietal lobe? Azizat Soda. What is the function of the parietal lobe? Sensory function. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is the function of the temporal lobe? Auditory, hearing. What is the function of the occipital lobe? Vision. What is the function of the insula? Jen. What is the function of the insula? Test sensation. Merely test. Yes, test sensation. Now, Mary. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Longitudinal fissure. Longitudinal fissure. Separated
Separates the corpus.
two half of brain hemisphere.
Yeah.
Plus two equi.
That's nice.
Now, the you tell this one. What is the structure connect the two half of brain? Corpus callosum. Good. Next one here. What is the function of the corpus callosum? Oh, corpus callosum. The information, right information sent to the left brain information sent to the right. Because technically, right? Corpus callosum. Next one, you tell this on the ventricle, right? How many ventricle? Three different types of it. What's the function? Or tell the name. Tell the name of the ventricle. Lateral ventricle, third ventricle, fourth ventricle. What is the function of the ventricle? CSF, production. Cerebrospinal fluid production. What is the structure inside the ventricle? Choroid plexus. Choroid plexus means ependymal cell and blood vessel. Right? And after production, the CSF drained by dural sinuses. In the dural sinus, there will be structure name is arachnoid granulation. This is the blood vessel also. Next one. Yes, you can tell lateral sulcus separate the two lobe of the brain. Lateral sulcus. Lateral sulcus separate the two lobe of the brain. Lateral sulcus separate the frontal lobe and what is this? Temporal lobe. Did you remember? Frontal lobe and temporal lobe. Lateral sulcus. Parieto-occipital sulcus separate the two lobe of brain. What are the two lobe? Parietal lobe and occipital. Then central sulcus separate the two lobe of brain. What is the two lobe? Central sulcus, frontal lobe and parietal. Frontal and parietal. Now, ventricle. Lateral ventricle and third ventricle. What is the connection? Interventricular, lateral and third, interventricular fluid, right? Third ventricle and fourth ventricle. What is the connection? Cerebral aquita. Cerebral. This is the inside the brain. Now, in the brain, when you dissect, you can see there will be two color of the tissue. What is the two color of the tissue? Gray and
White.
white. What is the gray tissue? unmyelinated. And white tissue is
Myelinated.
now. Then, what is brain stem? What is brain stem? Brain stem is three structures together: midbrain, pons, medulla. Oblongate. Brain stem, right? Midbrain, pons, and medulla. This is the brain stem. Then, what is the covering membrane of brain? Meninges. How many layers of meninges?
3.
What are the layers? Durameter, arachnoid
And pia mater. Yeah.
What is the importance of subarachnoid space?
Huh?
CSF circulation, not productive, circulation. Now, subarachnoid space means between diameter and arachnoid. Sub means under. Right? What is meningitis? Inflammation or infection of meninges. Causes maybe virus, maybe bacteria. Then brain tissue. What is gyri? What is sulci? Gyri is elevated out surface of the cerebrum. Sulci is depressed or between gyri with group-like structure. This is called sulci. Deep station. Deep group is number of tissue. Now, next on, this like question you can make it fine. Spinal cord. Spinal cord means the two different types is gray and white, the opposite, right? Center is gray, outer is the same like myelinated and myelinated, okay, it's same structure. Covering membrane of the spinal cord, myelinated. Same the three layer. Dorsal and ventral root of the spinal cord. What is the dorsal root? What is ventral root? Dorsal is sensory, ventral is
Motor.
now motor is the somatic motor and visceral motor. One is the lateral horn, one is the ventral horn. Which one is somatic motor? Which one is visceral motor? Lateral is somatic motor. Ventral is, what is this? Remember? Eh? Lateral visceral, ventral is? Forget? Okay. Okay, anybody? Jane. Remember?
I don't remember.
Uh,
I didn't study that part. The ventral horn. You don't
eh?
ask me? Don't bring your ask me.
Now, okay, I'm open. Look this one. The diagram. I told this one. Try to remember the diagram. Yes or no?